If your power steering light and traction control light are staying on or flashing, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the most common causes and easy fixes you can try at home, all without using a scanner. First, let's start with the power steering light. If the steering suddenly feels heavy, or the light comes on after starting the car, the issue is often simple. Begin by checking your battery and connections. Low voltage or a weak battery can cause the electric power steering system to shut down. Make sure the battery terminals are clean and tight. If the battery is old or recently drained, a full recharge or replacement may clear the warning. Next, try a basic reset. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, then all the way to the right, and return it to center. Now shut the engine off, wait 10 seconds, and restart the car. This simple calibration often resets the EPS system. Now let's talk about the traction control light. If it came on at the same time as the power steering warning, you may have a related issue, usually a wheel speed sensor not reading correctly. Start by checking your front wheels. Look behind the wheel for any loose wires, dirt, or debris around the ABS sensor. Clean it gently and make sure the connector is fully seated. A dirty or disconnected sensor can instantly trigger the traction control light. Also inspect your tire pressure. Big differences between tires can confuse the traction control system. Inflate all tires to the recommended PSI listed on the door sticker. After that, perform a light reset. Turn the car off, wait 15 seconds, then restart and drive straight for a few minutes. If traction control was triggered by a minor fault, it should clear on its own. If both warning lights stay on after these steps, the issue may be with the power steering motor, torque sensor, or a faulty wheel speed sensor. At that point, scanning for codes will tell you the exact component, but many times, these simple checks fix it. Thanks for watching. Drop your car's make, model, and year in the comments, and I'll help you diagnose your specific problem.